Hey guys, PepperAmmy here with a bonus St. Patrick's Day video. Now we are taking a look at soda bread. Now there are many recipes for this bread. This one in particular we are looking at today is a simple and easy recipe without buttermilk, as buttermilk can be hard to come by. Now soda bread is a wonderfully quick recipe and it contains no yeast, so there is no proofing time, and it only takes around 40 minutes from start to the end loaf. For the ingredients you will need 4 1/4 cups or 540 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 2 cups or 1 pint or roughly 473 ml of milk. Now to get started, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and start by adding the vinegar to the milk. Now this will make the milk slightly acidic and give the baking soda something to react to, but don't worry, this shouldn't curdle the milk. And then once combined, simply give a quick mix and set aside for a few minutes whilst we prepare the dry ingredients. Now, as I said, this is a very simple recipe. Simply add all of the dry ingredients into a large bowl and whisk together, and then make a well in the middle, and then pour over your acidic milk solution. And then mix together to form a dough and pour onto a lightly floured surface where you just want to knead it for 20 to 30 seconds just to make sure everything has come together and there is no dry patches of flour. And then using a knife or a bench scraper, split the dough in half and form into balls and slightly flatten the top. And then using a sharp knife, score a deep cross on each loaf. Then place in the oven for 35 minutes. Once cooked, remove from the oven and let cool before enjoying. Now, as this is a non-yeasted bread, this can appear quite dense, but it has an amazing crispy crust on it, and it serves as a great partner to the Irish stew I made last week. Now, as this bread sits, the crust will soften slightly and become much easier to cut. I actually kind of prefer the softer crust on this bread, but sometimes you can't go wrong with a nice crusty slice of bread and a nice warming stew on a murky, rainy day. Now there will still be a normal video on Friday. We are actually going to look at something slightly Danish for the first time on this channel, I believe. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this bonus video and have a merry and safe St. Patrick's Day. Thanks for watching. I will see you all again on Friday.
This is my will.